I'll guide you through how you can stabilize a video in Premiere Pro. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's do this.
So I have imported my footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I downloaded this stock footage from pixels.com. I will drag my footage and drop it down on my timeline. And I'll go ahead and play this footage. As you can see, there is movement in my footage and I don't want it. I want to stabilize my footage. So for that, I will go to Effects panel and I will search Wrap Stabilizer. And once I have the effect, I will drag this effect and drop it down on my footage. And after dropping it on my footage, you can see in Effect panel our effect is being applied. And done. Now our effect has been applied. And now we can go ahead and play our footage and see how it worked. So this method completely stabilized my footage and I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.